The first step is to open Canva, and scroll down to your designs. Click on the design on which you want to comment. Click on the comment icon. Type your comment in the comment field. To mention someone in the comment who has access to the design, type it, and click the name of the person you want to mention. If the person doesn't currently have access to this design, Canva will invite the mention to the design and send an email. To add a sticker to your comment, click the sticker icon. You can also assign the mention a comment by selecting the checkbox. Scroll down, and click on your choice of sticker. Click Submit Comment. The comment area will provide a reply area. That's it, you're done.